apply it inside the nails. Here for 10 seconds. And then we are going to using number 31, which is Aurora Gel number 31. Apply 1 coat. And cure for 60 seconds. And that's it. If you want to do one more coat, you can absolutely apply one more coat as you prefer. And then I have this 3 colors that I have on my hands, but I'm going to do like 2 colors. I have the pumpkins, and I have a hunter green, and I have majestic. And then last video you got to see me doing with the gel painting golden touch. So I get a little bit of the 1 drop of each colors, and I'm go ahead and using the brush number 4 to do some really simple swirl. All right. I know it's gonna be. Okay. This the colors. I'm gonna leave it right there. Okay, I don't know if we can see it.
That's why they have to come on the palette.
Okay, so we're gonna just do really simple one. Submerging my brush number 4 into the hunter green. I'm gonna go in on this side, and you can take it like have an anchor beads right here. Submerging it first, and then to get saturate the brush. And stationary 1 fingers on if you're doing it for your nails, or same thing when you're doing for the client too. And repeating it. It really depends on how swirl you want. You will never go wrong with this, okay? And then I am going to like flash key it for 10 seconds first. And then doing the same thing for the next one. I'm gonna do one like have a curl line on the other end. And flash key it first. So every time you want to add it on, just flash key it for 10 seconds. So then that way you can get yours is colors look nice, but then it's not runny. And actually, especially is Glitz gel polish is really consistency, and the pigment it's just so beautiful. You can using it as a for your painting a lot of nail art as well. So it's not like translucent. It's absolutely is the consistency is amazing. It gives you really a good coverage, and you can also doing it is a part of fun nail art as well. I love this number 4 brush. It's really detailed besides you using your twin tip brush, but this is gonna be great for cover more details. All right, I'm gonna flash here, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more here. I'm gonna flash here again 10 seconds. And I am go ahead and clean my bristle. Just wipe it off first on the piece of paper to release all that excess gel painting. Gel polish. And then I'm gonna clean my brush with the no wipe top coat, which is have no pigment at all. Make sure it's completely clean. And I'm gonna using the pumpkin, the color, submerging my brush, like saturate my brush into the gel painting. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start opposite side, like getting an ankle bead. I know, does that make sense? And then you can start from here. You know, you can do with any colors, you know that? You can apply so any color. It doesn't have to be these two colors. It's happened that these two color I'm showing you because it's the fall and happy November. And just gently is a light pressure. Pick up more gel paint, gel polish, pumpkin, and repeat it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my finger this way and draw a little bit more. I'm just gonna go along with the line of the green. All right, so I am go ahead and cure for 10 seconds. Pick up more gel polish, pumpkins, and I am going to do the same thing in opposite side, like ankle beads. And keep your bristle nice and like parallel with the nail, so it's give you a really nice crisp look, but also it's not gonna make your hands, your fingers shaky at all. Right, you can add more on.
Gina from YouTube. So if you want this gel polish, which is, you can find them on glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. And right now, so any color you see Nancy use is available online on our official website.
So I feel yep, you can keep adding it on. You'll never have to go wrong with like a sword at all. So I'm gonna flash cure it for 10 seconds, and now I'm go ahead and wipe my brush away. The excess gels polish, and I'm gonna clean the brush, the bristles, using the no wipe top coat. Flash cure my nails, 10 seconds already. So cleans my bristles. I am going to pick up the Golden Touch gel painting and saturate my bristle. Again, I'm using number 4. I love it to so details, and it's also as a long bristle as well. So pick it up, and I'm gonna go ahead. Can you see it? And I'm gonna go ahead and add it on. It's like getting to pick up the ankle beads. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it the pressures, and then slowly release. So you can see that you can draw a really simple line without feeling that it's not straight at all. And I did show you how I did it, like just keep your bristle flat. And that's it. Great. So now we are going to cure for full cure 60 seconds on this. And then after that, you can put the top coat. Either you want to do a no wipe top coat or you are doing a matte top coat. Just depend on you like a matte look, or you want to have a shiny look, or your clients want a matte finish or the shiny finish. And then you also can do crystal placements on it if you want to. Then you apply the condensed blue gels. And of course the no wipe top coat. Then you can apply any crystal you would like to on the nails. I'm so excited. So for the nails today, we don't do any crystals at all. Want to leave it there. It sounds like, wait, are we done already? Only one nail?
I guess so.
Is that how easy it is? It's super easy, right? So I hope it's really like give some tip and trick how you, if you want to changing. Can you grab me the mediums almonds that I have it on my nails? Like either this one, must be the almond now. So I have the mediums, almond medium, which is I have on my nails, and I have wearing it for almost 2 weeks. But you see that a little is growing out, and you can changing the color during the time within the weeks that you are wearing.
And we save our video, so whenever you want to come back here and check out how detailed and how to do the design, it will be here for you.
And I'm gonna do is the top coat to finish. Again, if you want to do the matte finish, you can do the matte finish. If you want to do is shiny, you can do the shiny. And this is a no wipe, so when you are keying, after you key for 60 seconds, you are good to go. So when you apply the top coat, same thing, we are going to doing it, just going closer detail to the key coats, and then we keep the bristle is stay parallel with the nail, so then that way you don't have a lot of like the excess of the gels on the tips of the nails. All right, key for 60 seconds.